The mysterious Ham in the Jesus position.
Ready? Relax.
Ham,
That's how Ham gets a tan.
what are you doing, Ham? Laying out for a tan? Just Ham. Ham.
Hey.
Basking in all the glory of the sun. Ham. He's just laying there. This is the dumbest shit I ever seen. That's your cat. Ham.
All he wants to do is relax. And you gotta mess with him.
I love you too, Ham. Tick-tock goes the clock. And still no motion. Ham plays dead.
Part 1.